So I am beginning the Jeep frame restoration. First step is to remove all the parts that need to come off to expose the frame without actually taking the body off best that you can. So first thing was to remove skid plate from underneath, which actually doesn't look too bad. Front and rear bumpers, wheel wells, front sway bar, which exposed bad sway bar links, which I'm going to have to replace. So that's the beginning. The frame actually does not look too bad. Here's the underside of the gas tank. Pretty clean. For an 05 Rubicon, doesn't look bad at all. Couple spots there I'll have to dig into with sanding. Not bad. Some light rust. Very surface, nothing structural, compromising the integrity of the frame at all. Doesn't look too bad. So these are the products that I'm going to use on the frame to preserve it, protect it, and paint it. It's from a company called Eastwood. They're up in Pottstown, so I was able to drive right up. It's not too far from me, half an hour, and pick this stuff up. Once I'm done sanding, I'll prep it with this solution. Then you put in a rust encapsulation next. Coats the frame and keeps the rust from getting any worse, encapsulates it. There's an internal frame coating also into the openings on the frame. You spray the inside of the frame so you get both inside and outside. And then finally I'll put on a satin coating of black on top of it to further protect it. A couple coats of each. Those are the products, and we'll shoot a video of what the frame looks like when it's done.